Okay, Anastasia, please, can you
Yes,
talk a little? Okay, we can hear you.
all right.
Thanks. You can start, please.
Now I will be proceeding with the presentation. We have developed, okay, I'll need to introduce myself. I'm Anastasia. I'm from National Research Nuclear University. This work is in our collaboration with, my professor and Anatoly Dolgich, and Alexey Vladimirovich Samsonovich. So we have developed, among other things that we're developing in the lab, a platform for an in-depth study of social interactions between users and virtual agents. The platform is basically a visualization where you can plug any cognitive architecture or another model, and it will visualize everything. It will um, voice everything, and there will be an interface with virtual actors that I will show on other slides. This platform is intended for the study of models of social agents. It allows for testing agent-human interactions in real-life settings. It's compatible with agents of any nature. It enables remote multimodal social interactions. So, for example, we can read the expressions on one's face. We can maybe even in the future read the intentions, like using their voice and things like this. It can recognize tonalities of speech, and the agent can use recognized intentions to argument reasoning in communications with the user. Our platform integrates OpenAI and Unreal Engine 5. So we use Unreal Engine 5 for visualization and the OpenAI for communicating with the user in natural language. And here you can see a diagram of how our platform works. It's not very complicated. It has a speech-to-text server, text-to-speech server, and it connects with OpenAI and our internal cognitive architecture that we can plug into it. Among other things, we've used technologies like for other things, like as we've mentioned before, speech-to-text and text-to-speech, also for lip sync, and for various other models. Specifically for the models of agents, we use MetaHuman because it is the most, I think in Unreal Engine is the most closest to state of the art, I think, visualization of a human, like a human-like actor. So our projects still are based on this technology. Among everything else include virtual tutor, the one we're focusing on heavily in the last year. Virtual psychodiagnosed, poster presenter, receptionist, virtual cocktail party, and roundtable. Roundtable is the one I will be demonstrating today. They are varied in how well they are developed, and yes, we focused mostly on virtual tutor and virtual roundtable. Others are mostly, I think, either scripted or just, not very advanced. Here is the user interface of our virtual tutor. You can enter the text of an essay, and then the virtual tutor will give you a criticism in places where it's necessary. The way that our platform is different from, for example, writing an essay using like normal ChatGPT or another LLM, is that it never writes the essay for the student. It just provides appropriate criticism based on some criteria that we can plug in, and it has a system of transitioning between different states, that are scripted for the essay. So, like, for example, first we develop the outline, then we, for the essay, develop different arguments, then the conclusion. So it goes in steps that are defined by the cognitive architecture on the backend. So Here is an example of a person using the virtual tutor. The cognitive model specifically implements self-regulated learning via moral schemas of BICA, representing knowledge as vectors in a semantic space. I think there are 4 given vectors. OpenAI GPT-4o allows virtual tutor to maintain social engagement. So it basically serves as an interface where we basically tell the virtual tutor what to say, but then OpenAI is like an interface for communicating that in natural language, as like how a real human would say it. And in an experiment involving 48 undergraduates, our system produced a significant improvement in essay quality assessed on 16 different criteria. And now we will show you a virtual roundtable. It is an example of, well, our our system, but the thing is that it uses 2 models. We'll show that interactions between the 2 or more people are possible. So these people will serve one of them as an optimist and the other one as a critic, someone more pessimistic than the first one. So the idea is that they should balance each other out. Right now, I will change the screen I'm sharing. I will show you the demonstration in real time. So now I will explain the well, how to use it. Basically, first you will hear an introduction. So the actors will say what they are talking about, and then they will ask the audience. So they would ask you to maybe ask some more questions. And the way you'd ask those questions is like using your microphone. Just imagine that you're asking me the questions. Yes, and then hopefully the virtual agents will listen and they will respond accordingly. There might be a bit of a delay and there might be some bugs. I can't guarantee that this will go absolutely smoothly, but we'll try anyway. So right now I will share the screen of the application. Well, it might take a while for it to load, and then well, you can interact with them, well, just the same way you would interact with me, basically. So yes. Sure. So I hope you can see them, right? Okay.
What do you think about AGI and its future?
IGI holds immense potential to transform industries and daily life significantly. Exploring its implications is both exciting and essential as it could open new opportunities and challenges. How do you see it impacting our future in practical terms?
AGI sounds more about sci-fi dreams than reality. We've bigger worries right now. Why not focus on what actually helps today?
I understand your concerns about focusing on immediate challenges. However, exploring IGI can inspire innovative solutions for today's problems. Why not invite the audience to share their perspectives on what balance might be beneficial between immediate and futuristic tech pursuits?
Let's bring it down to earth. How can we balance chasing AGI fantasies and fixing real-world issues? What do you think, folks?
Okay. Can we continue to the conclusions of this?
No, you are supposed to ask question now. Talk to the agents. Can you do that? Just talk in the microphone.
Okay.
All right, folks, let's chat it. What do you think about balancing our current tech needs with dreaming big about IGI?
How can we acknowledge that something is in fact AGI, for example?
Exploring what aspects of technology could be considered as IGI is a fascinating journey. It offers an opportunity to deepen our understanding of I's capabilities and potential. Would you like to learn more about how IGI concepts might shape our field?
IGI is all hype without substance. Instead of chasing shadows, let's deal with the tangible tech that can make a difference now. How do IGI fantasies help us solve real issues today?
While IGI may seem distant, its pursuit sparks innovative ideas and discussions that can lead to practical advancements in current technologies, broadening our options for addressing real-world issues.
Chasing IGI may distract from solving today's issues. But alright, let's hear what you folks think. Does this futuristic journey really spark ideas that help now?
But regarding that, let's suppose we have AGI, how we would know that it is AGI in fact, and this could be used for different applications, but is there like an operational test that we can do to assume that something is AGI or not?
Honestly, defining real IGI is a headache. No magic test yet. We are fumbling around in the dark. Maybe focus that curiosity on making current I work better.
Okay. Thank you so much. Professor Alexei, can we finish this demonstration?
Yes, thank you. I believe it was really successful. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed it.
Thank you, Professor. That was an amazing work,
Thank you.
actually.
Thank you very much for your comment. Yeah, happy to hear that.